Alright guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm going to make another stock sign I'm going to sell to flea markets this year. And this is We the People. And I'm working on my layout right now. I'm going to spray the primer so I have a line to draw. So stay tuned as we go through the process of the making of this sign. Alright guys, what I'm doing now is I'm going to run, this is a piece of cedar, and I'm going to run it through my planer just to give it a little bit of a smooth surface so I can carve it a little bit easier and then make the carving look better. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do is take my profile and do the fine lines on the outside of the We the People. And then I'm going to come in and carve the inside of the letters with a 60-degree V groove. It gives it a real good look. Alright guys, let's reveal it, see what it looks like, and slow this test off and see what the carving looks like. I'm kind of happy with it. Now I'm going to put some finish on it and I'll show you the final project.